song yang I sang from Church on Kuki Bible Hill, and I am 20 years young, and I aspire to become a psychologist in the near future. I love singing, dancing, acting, and playing basketball. Thank you.
Now, Imphal.
Once again, a very good evening to each and every one of you, and of course to my respected jury members. Diagnosed with last stage of tuberculosis, when everyone had given up on me, I believed in myself and I never gave up. So here I am standing in front of you all, holding my master's degree and striving to achieve my goal. This is Kuki from Kuki district. I am 24 years of age, currently preparing for my PhD, and I aspire to become a professor in geography. Last but not the least, let us always have hope and never give up, because optimism is the key to success, and nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Thank you.
Be yourself, try your best, let's not wait for a change, let be a change.